Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Do you have trouble getting to sleep at night because of noises around the house or maybe a partner that snores? Initially, we bought this LectroFan EVO for my husband because he needed a consistent noise at night in order to fall asleep. But then I became addicted to having a noise machine on as well. I'm going to show you what some of the different sounds are like. There's 22 different ones. You can see it goes pretty low. Or if you're wanting to drown somebody out, you got a snorer in the house. This one's my favorite. It's a brown noise. You can also change it to the ocean or surf. Very soothing and relaxing. I just like to put it on the evening, read a book, and just kind of zone out. Or if you like the fan noise better, there's different fan settings. Choose which one you like, whatever puts you to sleep. We've been using the LectroFan EVO for several years now, and it's actually gotten to the point where I can't sleep without it. So I take it with us when we go on vacation or go sleep over at a relative's house. I know that if you're looking for something that has consistent sound that's going to help you get more restful sleep at night, this is definitely going to help. But that's just my point of view.